How to manage notifications on Opensea. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage notifications on Opensea easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to opensea.io, of course, and go here in the top corner and click on your profile. This is the profile now. Go here to settings and it will take you to this page. Now go to the right and choose notifications option, and here you go. Now from here you can see the notification settings. You can enable or disable anything from here in easy fast way. As you can see, it's very easy actually. You can enable or disable autopay, for example. After you finish, click save. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful.